Welcome back to another video. Today we have the after Christmas sale. It says starts online December 25th, in stores December 26th. So yesterday. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. You got Harbor Freights. Let's see here. The first item that they have on sale is the $349 after Christmas sale. 4,375 max starting, extra long life gas powered. Guys, I used to have one of these. I used to have the 4,000 watt. Really nice, really reliable. The only downside about these is that they are heavy. It's one solid piece of machinery, but they are heavy. You must have these wheels on because this thing is heavy. And I have a taller truck, so it's real hard to put it by yourself in the truck. That's one of the reasons why I got rid of it. Other than that, it's a solid. If you're gonna have this on your house and just not move it, or just have the wheels and you can just move it outside or inside your shed or whatnot, that's fine. Anybody could do that. Even your wife or your kids could do that. But if you want to lift it without these wheels, just lift it and put it on the truck. That's when it becomes a problem. Alright, since we got a video here you guys can watch. I'm not gonna put it on because it's not my content. You got some batteries here, $199. I do not recommend these batteries. I have one of those Amazon Fire Sticks or something like that, and it requires triple A's. And I loaded up with these batteries, started leaking. Pretty much I replaced the batteries. I'm like, you know what? It's just one. And next thing you know, I like a week later, they started leaking again. So I just tossed the whole packet. The whole package like this, just toss it to the trash, and I put some different batteries in there, and I have no problems with it. So there you go. You got one. Yeah, these are solid. Anything that's a floor jack from Harbor Freight is very solid. Definitely recommend it. You got a 1.5 ton. This is a light duty jack for smaller cars. Aluminum. It's lighter. $59.99. You got the 56-inch double bank roller cabinet. $649. It says $57 a month. I guess if you have it credit card. They have a video here for that too. Guys, this is a solid drill for the DIY. If you're a DIY, you don't want to spend so much, and you want something that's nice. Obviously, you're not gonna start if you're a woodworking or you like woodworking or heavy duty DIY, I would definitely go somewhere else. But if you're just a regular DIY, occasionally you fixed up a door or create something, this is fine. This is gonna work fine for you. I do have it. It works great. $59.99. You get the Advanti Airless paint sprayer and stain sprayer kit, so $239.99. Seems like a really nice piece of machinery here. I haven't tried it myself, but I heard good things about it. You got the Hydrostar Drain Monster, $199.99. These are great, especially if you own a business or own like a handyman business, and sometimes you get some drains. This is a great item for you, even if you have a house or if you have a few apartments. And it's an older house, and you occasionally get those calls from your tenants. This is something you must have. I do have the smaller one, the Bauer that looks like a gun. That one. I have the red one. It works really good. Saved me a lot of money. You got Central Machinery, $54.99. It's a solid piece of machinery there. You got the Titanium Plasma Cutter, $849. Titanium and Vulcan are great. I would definitely recommend any of those two, especially if you're starting out. At least the Titanium. Learn how to weld the right way. These are the Warrior Hex Shank socket drivers, 3-piece. I do have a lot of these laying around in different tool bags or truck tool boxes. I always like to keep some of these where I have drills or impact drivers. So this is something must have. Very cheap, so you can just have a lot of them. This chair I haven't used. You got the Badland Apex synthetic 12,000 pound wireless winch. Guys, this is a great winch. It's a really great winch, especially for the price. You're getting a premium winch here for the price. You got Warrior titanium high-speed step bits, set of 3. Is another great item to have. I haven't used it personally, but I would say it's for light duty use for projects around the house. Even if you have a shop, these are fairly inexpensive. You can have a few sets. This is not a safe. I wouldn't call this a safe. It's more like a, well, I guess it's a safe, but it's not really a high security safe. But $99.99 for that. You got the 10-inch by 2.5 horsepower tire brick saw. This is a little great saw. It's smaller. I mean, it's not gonna work like a DeWalt, but it'll get you there. It'll cut for you. Not the fastest. So $279.99. Got a Chicago Electric welding cart. So it looks really nice. Definitely recommend the cart from Harbor Freight. $29.99. You got the Greenwood. This is like a propane torch with push button igniter for killing weeds and stuff like that. Works great. $29.99. My brother has this jack. Definitely recommend it, guys. He swears by this. You can even leave it a few days. It'll be just like that if you get back to it. Of course, you always want to have your jack stands. I do recommend the ones from Harbor Freight. I know there's been a lot of controversy or a lot of people saying that they're rumors that the jack stands are bad and that they might fail and if you move them. Yeah, if you force them to fail, they're gonna fail. I do have some. I would say 4 pairs. No, I would say 3 pairs of jack stands. I have a total of 6. I have 4 older ones and 2 newer ones that I just recently bought, say about a year old. They haven't failed, guys. They work fine. So $199.99. You got the Centec automatic battery fast flow charger. If you have a smaller battery and expensive, why not? Older vehicle. But I wouldn't trust this with expensive batteries or, AGM or just expensive cars. I wouldn't trust that with. You got pliers with comfort grips. Pretty much a non-inclusive little kit here. $13.49 for the spare toolbox. You got a Gordon utility knife, $3.99. You got the Quantum 65 lumen pocket. Yeah, Quantum's a really great brand. Braun is a really great brand. So anything with those 2 names, you're fairly good to go there. So great, inexpensive flashlights. You got the Bauer 9-gallon, 4.5 horsepower wet and dry vacuum. Very comparable with top of the line vacuums out there. A lot of people swear by these. They go by these. So $59.99 is not that expensive. I mean, you could probably catch a better deal somewhere else, but you're always gonna have these prices at Harbor Freight. On and off, on and off. You got a 4-in-1 screwdriver with the TPR handle, 99 cents. I do have a lot of these when you used to be free. Now you got to pay for them. Obviously, $1 is not that much, but you can have them, in each truck, in each tool bag. If somebody needs one, just loan them out or give them out. You got 18 gauge brad nailer, $34.99. I do have as a matter of fact, I was using the 18 gauge nailer and stapler from what's that brand? Central Pneumatic, and that thing works great. I have no complaints whatsoever. I was doing some baseboards with it. Works fine. I would think that this one works just as well as the other one. The other one's cheaper actually. It's like $20 or $15. This one's $34.99. It's a little nicer, don't get me wrong. Alright, so yeah, that's it. We're gonna hopefully soon, maybe this week, this weekend, we're gonna be doing a walk around at Harbor Freight, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.